What if Earth suddenly stopped spinning? A view of Earth spinning in space showing its fast rotation with glowing equator lines. Close-up of a clock melting into sand symbolizing the importance of time created by Earth's spin. Earth suddenly frozen in space with a dramatic stop-motion effect as if time itself halted. Winds rushing across a city with skyscrapers bending and debris flying through the air at terrifying speeds. Giant tidal waves crashing into coastlines swallowing buildings, cars, and forests. The atmosphere shown as glowing streams still moving while the planet beneath stands still. A desert landscape on the sun-facing side of Earth with cracked soil and dried rivers under scorching sunlight. A frozen wasteland on the dark side of Earth with icy mountains and abandoned towns buried in snow. Massive storm clouds forming between the hot and cold sides of Earth with lightning flashing. Farmers staring at ruined fields with crops burned on one side and frozen on the other. People looking up in fear as the sun never sets above them, blazing constantly in the sky. A family struggling to survive in freezing darkness huddled around a fire in abandoned ruins. Earth's magnetic field shown as glowing blue lines fading away, leaving the planet exposed to solar radiation. Solar flares striking Earth with golden rays penetrating the atmosphere causing destruction. The sky glowing with violent auroras across the globe signaling collapsing protection from space radiation. Earth's shape slowly changing from round to slightly squeezed as the equatorial bulge collapses. Oceans flowing away from the equator into the poles creating new seas and flooding continents. Satellite view of flooded cities with skyscrapers sticking out of water like broken towers. Barren desert expanding across dried regions of the equator with skeletons of trees. Civilization ruins half submerged in water with people trying to escape on boats. Survivors building shelters in caves and mountains trying to adapt to extreme conditions. Collapsed communication towers and broken technology as humanity loses global connection. A glowing sun burning one side of the Earth while the other side is lost in darkness. A symbolic image of an hourglass shattering representing the collapse of time as days stretch into years. A lone astronaut looking at Earth from space, shocked to see its strange glowing half-light half-dark state. A dramatic cinematic wide shot of Earth half-scorched half-frozen showing the end of the world as we know it.